gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Welcome back again to another village vlog. Good morning, ma.
Good morning, ma.
How are you guys doing today? How is everybody? How is everything? How is business? How is work? Tell me in the comment section. How are you people doing today? So guys, this morning we are here in the stream. I'm only with this little girl. Today is her birthday. Birthday girl. That is why she don't go to school. You refuse to go to school because today is your birthday.
Yes.
Why?
I don't want to go to school.
Look at your face. You don't want to go to school.
Yeah.
You have luck. If not that today is your birthday, you go to school. So they called off the strike today.
Even me.
You don't want to go to school because today is Osinachi's birthday. So guys, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Hey, I saw like headworm in my hand.
Earthworm. Let me see it. That thing is not earthworm. I saw it on your dress. It was. It's leaves.
Okay.
It's not earthworm. So guys, this morning we are here. They said they have called off the strike today. So it's my sister, my elder sister. I did not ask you to play. We don't have time. Look at the weather. Look at it's about to rain. I don't want rain to beat my phone. Oh. So please.
You put it inside your bag, nah?
Even if I put it inside my pocket.
You use that paper and cover it.
You're not serious. Then what will I use to carry water?
You see, this one is in your head. You just move that one and put it.
I don't have time. I don't have time for your argument.
Okay.
Just go and be washing first. I'm coming. When I finish my distance, I'll be washing the bucket first as they come. So, why are you fetching? That is why you are having earthworm now. Don't fetch from that side. Fetch from the mainstream. Have you seen me taking water from this side before? Hey. Fetch from the mainstream. So you see, she had to remove her slippers because in this, we don't wear slippers to enter this water. If you wear slippers and enter the water, they will fine you. You pay fine. So that is why she remembered and she removed her slippers because the villagers is their drinking water, so they don't want sand or dirt to enter the water. So guys,
All the village people.
So guys, they called off the strike. So the only person that is going to school today is my elder sister because Osinachi and her sister Shinayangwa, they refuse to go to school today. Oh guys, today is Osinachi's birthday. Oh. So we are preparing. You know, you always carry the way with play. In fact, let me keep this camera. Let me come and do that thing fast. So I will go. Where should I keep it? Okay. Take the camera.
Today is Osinachi's birthday. It's a birthday special. Today is your birthday. The first yeah.
You go see many things, you not gonna believe.
Oh, see me.
A few minutes later.
And I start falling over. And these children, they left me and ran away. After helping her to carry her water, she left me and ran away. So rain is falling small. We'll talk when we get home, because rain will spoil my phone. Oh.
A few minutes later.
Look at us, oh, rain, the rain is too much. So we stop here at somebody's place. So we are resting here and then I want to collect nylon from them. So now I use them put my phone. So that rain will not spoil my phone. Oh.
Where will we go? How
much, guys. He's very, very serious. So if I collect nylon from her, it's not to go.
Left.
If I collect nylon from her, we will go. Cold. Where does my face? Thank you. So don't give me nylon. Phone. Get ready to enter inside nylon.
A few minutes later.
And would you welcome?
So guys, the woman gave me nylon to put my phone, and we decided to go because Chineye was singing "I am hungry" to my ears. So she did not allow me to rest. So we entered the rain, and the rain drenched us. So everybody is cold now. So we are about to make pap so that we take pap this morning. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, oh guys, because the birthday is in the evening. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Give the video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to turn on your notification.
Many hours later.
So guys, since morning rain has been falling non-stop. Even now the rain is still dropping. So everybody has been sleeping since, including me. This is after 12, and my sister just got back now from school with her baby. Even the birthday girl is also sleeping, and the boys, everybody is asleep, just sleeping like that. So my aunt has gone back to the farm after the rain reduced. As you can see, it has reduced. So me now, I am on good month. I am on my way to the baker to check if she's through with the cake. Okay, so let me go and check her and see if she's through with the cake, so that we can bring the cake and get ready to celebrate the birthday even under the rain. So hello guys, look at the cake. The cake is here. We are here to get the cake. It's ready. Wow. Okay, the thing is just for me to carry it and be going.
A few minutes later.
So guys, my beautiful people, my darling people, it is time for the birthday, and we are preparing. As you can see, the boys are here. Our last born, Chimobi, he's also here with his friends. All of us, we are here now. Children are start gathering small, and I have brought the cake. The cake is already here. So what are we waiting for, guys? We are preparing for everything. Everybody is so happy. As you can see them, they are rejoicing. They are so happy. This birthday is gonna be one in town. So come and join us, guys. Come and join us. Keep watching. Watch this video to the end, and please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, I am the one that is setting everything. Chimobi and I, we are trying to arrange everything, the tables and so on. Kids are coming, everybody is coming here. We thank God for the gift of life today. We are so happy. Please rejoice with us. As you can see, the new bicycle that Ife's word bought for her is also in the front of the table. So the birthday girl will soon dress up and come out so that we can see her. So keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more interesting videos. Okay?
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words.
So guys, everything is ready.
So everything is alright. Yeah.
This is our MC.
As you can see, this is bike, this one is mineral, and this one is all of them. Everything we need is here. So look at the children is there. And today is Mas National Day.
Alright. Smile.
Pose now. Like reach.
Aya, get up. Stand. Stand with the cake.
Just give them
Hold that. Don't cut it. Just.
Look front now.
Everybody is here. Chima,
We are continuing.
the last one, is here as well. And then you uncle.
Big man like you.
Avoid power. Avoid power. And then I want the rich man, Abi. I want the thunder rich man. Okay. All of them are here. And then this one is MC General. Wow. This is very good.
My formatic is outside here.
Wow. Okay, make I don't alter anything for that one. So our cake is here. Everything that we're using for the birthday. Oh, look at the birthday princess. She's very happy. Are you not happy? Are you not happy? She's smiling. Oh, see.
Are you there?
Oh, see. Are you not happy? Are you happy? You're happy, Abby? Good. So what do you have to say to mommy for all these things that she brought? Good, good, good. So everybody is here. Look at all the kids. There are plenty, even their school friends and sisters are also here. So all their school friends are here. So, children.
Can you please clap for her? Everybody clap for her.
Nayangwa.
Yes. A month to a year. A year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, not easy.
It's not easy at all.
No, it's not easy. So we have to thank God for that. So everybody has his own. Everything is complete. Everything here is complete. So when you then when you give your own, you second to your own. Tell your mom. So I would like some of you here to tell your parents to celebrate your birthday. It makes it something. Maybe I know that some of you here have not birthday for birthday, but all our prayer is who don't have money, your parents will make it and do your own.
Amen.
Friends of Jesus. So,
Today is birthday. Osinachi's birthday. Look at everybody that is here. Everybody is here. Look at it. And more people are still coming. More people are still coming. Look at everybody. Look. Now, children, stand, everybody. Children, Jesus loves you. Children, Jesus loves you. Children, Jesus loves you. Children.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. How old are you now? How old are you now?
I am +1 today. I am +1 today. I am +1 today. I am +1 today. Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Many more.
I spell on Jesus.
Everyone, let's go.
Happy birthday to you.
See, Papa, get a good
sharing biscuits. So guys, we never planned that the birthday will be this big. Okay, we never planned to even play this music, this local, our very beautiful local music on this birthday. But surprisingly, our cousin brother came and he brought them. He asked my uncle that they should play the music on the birthday, and it drew many people to this our house. So people are now plenty, both adults. You can even see elders here. So even elders of the village came to know what is happening, and they were surprised. Okay, so thank you so much. This birthday is very beautiful. We really appreciate God. We thank God for everything that happened today. So rejoice with us, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Okay, so we are sharing biscuits, and we are also sharing the Hollandia yogurt and everything. So my uncle brought his friend and they started playing the music for us. We danced like we have never done before. Hey, this birthday, this is the best local birthday you can ever find on the internet. Rejoice, this is the best local birthday ever. We are so happy. We are so happy. guys, please be sincere with me, eh? Tell us in the comment section, have you seen this type of birthday before? Have you heard this type of music before? What do you think about this our birthday? Me, I'm so in love with it, but what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Did you enjoy it? Because we are very happy and we are enjoying it. Please tell us in the comment section, have you heard this type of music before? This is a very local music and it's very interesting to dance. See the elders. Children, bye bye yo. Namaste na ye mesigo bye bye. Big man si bien there was in cake na. You go cake. You go cake. Tata we look cake give boy and. Guys, thank you so much for watching that video. We are going to end the vlog here, okay? Thank you so much. Please keep watching my videos, keep commenting on my videos, keep subscribing to my channel, and good night. I will see you in the next video, okay? Bye.